PiConnect by PINOVO is a versatile and efficient dust-free blasting tool suitable for various applications. It features a closed-loop vacuum system that ensures a safe working environment by eliminating dust and debris. With high-pressure blasting and click-on adapter technology, it delivers thorough surface cleaning on different geometries. PiConnect is user-friendly, lightweight, portable, and backed by a 1-year warranty, making it a reliable choice for blasting needs in industries like construction, marine, oil and gas, aerospace, and automotive. The Tomcat mole trap is a hands-free, easy-to-use, and humane trap for moles. It's made with professional-grade materials and is safer than traditional traps. Simply locate an active tunnel, insert the trap, set the trigger, and it will instantly kill any moles that enter. The trap is reusable and offers cost savings. For optimal results, place it in main runways. Puncture holes to identify active tunnels, mark them, and check the traps daily. Consider using multiple traps or alternative methods for larger mole populations. The Wolfcraft Universal Drill Clamp is a versatile tool made of die-cast aluminum. It can securely hold power drills, milling and grinding motors in various positions. With its 360-degree horizontal and 90-degree vertical rotation, it offers flexibility for drilling, milling, grinding, polishing, and engraving tasks. The Euronorm collar with a diameter of 43 mm ensures compatibility with a wide range of power tools. It is particularly useful in tight spaces, providing stability and precision. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional woodworker, the Wolfcraft Universal Drill Clamp is an essential tool for enhanced convenience and accuracy. The KLRStec Professional Japanese Pull Saw is a versatile saw suitable for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. With its 240 mm double-sided serrated saw blade, it allows for fine and coarse cuts with ease. Its lightweight design ensures easy handling, making it suitable for projects of all sizes. The saw's capabilities extend to cutting curves, joints, intricate details, and even materials like plastic. Its durability guarantees long-lasting performance, and it comes with a nylon carrying bag for added convenience. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, the KLRStec Professional Japanese Pull Saw is an excellent choice for clean, precise cuts in various woodworking applications. The VIRALLOY Solder Sucker. No Clog Desoldering Pump is a reliable and efficient tool for removing solder from electronic components. With its unique no-clog design, you can easily remove solder without worrying about clogging the nozzle tip. The pump's sleek and streamlined design allows for easy maneuverability, even in tight spaces. Constructed with high-quality 6061 aircraft-grade aluminum, it ensures durability and long-lasting performance. The VIRALLOY Solder Sucker No Clog Desoldering Pump is a versatile tool that provides excellent value for its price. The Laser Tools 8176 LTR cable puller pliers are a durable and reliable tool designed to simplify the installation and adjustment of brake cables on bicycles. With their serrated jaw and thumb-operated lock, they securely grip the cable and allow for one-handed operation, ensuring correct tensioning on the first try. Made from high-quality materials, these pliers are built to last and are backed by a lifetime warranty. By using the Laser Tools 8176 LTR cable puller pliers, you can easily improve brake performance, extend their lifespan, and enhance your overall cycling experience. The SKF-25 Portable Plate Beveling Machine is a versatile tool for quickly and easily beveling plates and pipes. It features an adjustable angle, up to 3/4 inches land width, and a milling head with 10 indexable inserts. The machine is lightweight, portable, and equipped with an anti-vibration system for comfortable operation. It is suitable for various metals, including steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and non-ferrous metals. The SKF-25 is an essential tool for welding applications in workshops and fabrication facilities. The Kiwitech grazing system revolutionizes rotational grazing with its customizable and versatile range of products. From reels to carry packs, modular posts to gate handles, and all the necessary tools, Kiwitech provides everything you need to enhance pasture efficiency. Whether you prefer a single strand of braided twine or multiple strands, their parts and kits cater to different livestock classes and contexts. With Kiwitech, grazing management becomes easier and more efficient, transforming the way you approach rotational grazing. The Rack Assassin Tool Caddy is a versatile and convenient tool storage and carrying system. Made of solid steel and weighing only 5 pounds, it can hold up to 10 long-handled garden tools. With extra clips for different tool thicknesses, it hangs on the wall and keeps your tools organized and off the ground. It is easy to lift and move, making it ideal for transporting tools to and from the garden. Customers rave about its effectiveness in keeping tools easily accessible and out of the way. If you want a reliable and efficient solution for organizing and transporting your garden tools, the Rack Assassin Tool Caddy is the perfect choice. The Roberts Deluxe Heat Bond Iron is a reliable and efficient tool for carpet installation. With its low-profile design, it provides even heat distribution for the thorough melting of heat bond seam tape. The adjustable thermostat and heat shield ensure ideal heat settings while protecting the carpet from high temperatures. The tapered base plate design allows for easy carpet joining, saving time during installation. Additionally, the non-stick coating makes cleaning a breeze. Whether you're a professional carpet installer or a DIY enthusiast, the Roberts Deluxe Heat Bond Iron is a reliable tool that will simplify your carpet installation projects. The Wiha Electrician Spirit Level is a durable and accurate tool designed for electricians and tradespeople. It features 2 vials for horizontal and vertical measurements, ensuring precise leveling. With its end-to-end casing, marking lines becomes easy and seamless, while the variable distance marks facilitate alignment with up to 4 flush socket boxes. Made from high-quality materials, this spirit level is built to last and withstand the demands of professional use. It offers reliable performance and exceptional durability, making it an essential tool for efficient and precise electrical work. The Mako Tools AFEC 840 Professional Automotive Fluid Evacuator is a versatile and efficient tool for fluid extraction. Powered by shop air, it utilizes a vacuum generator to create a deep vacuum for extracting fluids from engines. The evacuator includes a high-quality hose with quick connect fittings, a 3.3-foot suction straw, and a brake bleeding hose. With a small remote cap for easy waste fluid disposal, it is suitable for evacuating various fluids such as engine oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, and coolant. Made from lightweight composite materials, it is portable and user-friendly, making fluid extraction quick and hassle-free. The Kenco Wire Twist Tool Model 6000 is a durable and efficient tool for twisting the wire in fencing projects. Powered by a drill or impact driver, it uses a stored 5/16 inches hex bit for convenience. Constructed from solid stainless steel, this tool is built to withstand heavy use and last a lifetime. It excels at twisting tough 200 KSI high-tensile wire with ease, making it a reliable choice for contractors, fence builders, and DIers alike. By saving time and effort, it helps create secure and durable wire connections, ensuring long-lasting results. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.